Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix when you can't follow on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly your profile page. So basically guys, if you're trying to follow someone, and you can do that. For example, you're pressing the follow button and you can't follow that person or this page. So first of all, go ahead and check your internet connection. This problem might be just because you're having a bad internet. If you think you're having a good internet, then let's check your Instagram application version. In order to do that, just leave Instagram and then go ahead and search for Play Store or App Store depending on which phone you have. And then once you do that, go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Once you're here, go ahead and click on Instagram. And then you're going to be here in this page. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to update Instagram if you're not up to date. If you're already up to date, then you're going to find open right here. So once you do that, the last fix I'm going to show you guys is go into settings and then go to apps or application. And then once you do that, go ahead and search for Instagram. And then scroll all the way down until you find storage. Click on storage and then here in the bottom, you're going to find two options, clear data and also clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache. Go back and open Instagram again. And then your problem should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.